This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Zepto store. Navigating your store settings can seem complex, but with these clear steps, you will manage your store information effectively. We will cover everything from logging in to updating essential details, and finally, making those changes live for your customers. This process ensures your store information remains accurate and current, enhancing the customer experience significantly. First, open your web browser and go to the Zepto merchant portal. Use your registered email and secure password to log into your account, ensuring a safe entry. Once inside, you will see your main dashboard. Look for the store management option, usually found on the left-hand navigation panel. Clicking this will bring you to the central hub for all your store's editable settings. Within store management, you can update fundamental details like your store's name and its physical address. This is also where you will change your primary contact phone number, ensuring customers can reach you. Remember to adjust your operational hours here, setting precise open and close times for each day of the week. Making sure these details are exact prevents customer confusion and improves efficiency. Next, let's look at your inventory. You can add new products by uploading details, including high-quality images and descriptions. This section also allows you to update existing product prices or remove items that are no longer available. Efficiently organizing your products into clear categories, for example, fresh produce or dairy, makes it easier for customers to find what they need, improving their shopping experience by a significant margin, perhaps 20%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.